I was sent beautiful dresses from the brand Scarlet Darkness. As far as my size, I'm 5'8", and I would say I'm a size 4'6". And let's see them on so you can decide which one you love the best. How romantic is this dress? I love that it comes up here and then has that longer in the back. I'm gonna get up close for the details. So this one, you could actually wear this off the shoulder if you want to. It has that same smocking that this brand is known for in the back. I'm in the size small. On the front, it's coming up over my knee. In the back, it's coming to above my ankle a few inches. Now it does have pockets as well. Fits perfect right here at the waist. I didn't need to have any struggle getting it on. And then I have it tight as it can go up here, but you can loosen it if you are bustier up here. And then it has that nice elastic at the arms. I think it's such a pretty dress that you're gonna love. You can tie this part really tight, or if you're busty, you can have this open quite large. I'm not very busty, so I tied it very, very tight. There is a zipper at the side. I didn't even need to unzip it to get in and out of it. It does have pockets, which I love. And then this part here is adjustable, so adjustable straps and then smocking in the back. This is the size small, and then at 5'8", it is midi length on me. Really nice, really flowy, cute summer dress. I think it is so pretty. I love that just simple Victorian pattern with it. And as I get up close, you can see this top part is all smocked. It's smocked in the front, it's smocked in the back, and also here. So this is all stretchy. I'm in a size small, and then as it goes down, there's a ruffle down here, and then the bottom kind of flows out as well. There is an inner lining in it, and then it's a midi length on me at 5'8". I think it's just a beautiful dress that you're gonna love. Oh, and also, it has pockets, and it is so cute. At 5'8", I was a little worried to be too short on me, but not at all. I love that double ruffle design. I'm gonna get up close. It fits perfectly. This is the size small, and I'm a size 4'6". In the back, it has smocking, so this part is stretchy. And this part you can tie tight, or if you're bustier, you can let this out, and it can definitely fit bustier women. So this is just so cute. I think it's such a cute little summer dress. It also has pockets. It's nice, it's lightweight, and I absolutely love it. I definitely have a top 3. They are all so cute. I have affiliate links in the description and also in the comments if you want to shop these beautiful dresses. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more product review videos and check out this video as well.